what is going on YouTube? Hacker7 here. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to add a green screen in CapCut. Now on my timeline, well, you need to have your video or your picture or whatever you'll be using in CapCut, and you'll also need to have your green screen ready. So here on my timeline, I have this video clip of one of my intros. So what you need to do is to add the green screen as an overlay. Now you can find it from the options here at the bottom. So click on overlay, add overlay, and you need to select your green screen. So once you've added your green screen, you could zoom it in a bit so it fits the screen, or you could add it to wherever you'd want. So yes, this is my green screen loaded onto the timeline. So what you'd be required to do next is to, here you need to tap on the green screen itself, scroll all the way over until you find Chroma Key. Now Chroma Key is between mask and main track. So once you tap on Chroma Key, as you can see here, drag to start picking the color. So you need to drag this around to select which color you'd want. So I'm going to select green. Once you've selected the color, you need to click on intensity. Now you'd slowly turn up the intensity until it removes the green screen, and you try your best to get it to remove as much of the green as possible, because in most instances you would not want it to look like a green screen. So as you can see here, we're all the way up to basically 100%, and it is still showing as a bit green. So we could go back to the color picker and try to get the color very close to his face, and the intensity is already at 100. So let's click on that, and as you can see, this is basically the best work which was done for this green screen. So that is how you'd be able to add a green screen in CapCut using the Chroma Key tool. So I hope this tutorial was helpful in getting you to use green screens in CapCut. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and comment down below. Once more, thank you guys for watching. Hacker7 out.